Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do cutting and stitching of ball gown. For that, this is the miniature. First of all, I will show you in miniature. This is the lower part of my ball gown, which will look like this in paneled. So these are 10 panels. So for panel, this is my pattern in miniature form. Now I will show you how to make the pattern. This is my pattern of standard size. Measure the length from your high waist till your thumb of your feet. So first of all, mark a straight line. This is the length from this point till this point. This is the length from my higher waist till my thumb of my feet. Now 5 inches extra from this point and make a curve like this. After drawing the pattern, you have to cut the pattern and it will look like this in conical shape. Now I will tell you how to make the pattern of standard size. So this is the measurement of 2 inches. First of all, mark a straight line of 2 inch and then mark a straight line from this center point of 2 inches. So this is the measurement, which is the straight line from my higher waist till thumb. From this point till this point, this is 5 inch extra, and width is 7 inches on both the sides. That means 14 inch width of my panel. So this is the pattern of my panel, and after making the pattern of my panel, you have to cut your panels on fabric with help of this pattern. These are my panels which I have cut. Now I will tell you the requirement of fabric, and you will require cane for this ball gown. So this is my cane. First of all, you will require 10 meters fabric. That means 5 meter for main fabric and 5 meter for lining, but I am using the same fabric as lining and as front fabric. So you will require total 10 meters, and then you will require 5.5 meter cane to cut these type of panels. Now I will show you my panels. So these are my total 20 panels. As you can see, I have cut my panels with the help of pattern. To cut the panels, place your pattern on the fabric and mark the seam allowance of 1 to 1.5 inch, and then cut your panel. With the same process, you have to cut all the panels of fabric for front and for lining. And after cutting these panels, you have to cut the cane. To cut the cane, you will require your fabric and place this fabric on cane and cut according to the measurements. For stitching of your gown, first of all, place your lining fabric. Then you have to place your cane. After placing the lining fabric and cane, you have to place the main fabric. Like this, place your main fabric. There are 3 layers of your fabric. Now after placing these 3 fabric, you have to apply a stitch on the sides. Do not apply a stitch on this area. Just apply a stitch on sides and bottom of your panel. I have made all the panels by joining a cane and lining and main fabric. So these are my 10 panels. Now I am going to attach these 10 panels to form a skirt. To attach these panels, this is my first panel, and this is right side of my fabric, and this is second panel and right side of my second panel. Now right side with right side, place your panel like this, and stitch your panel from this side to attach both the panel. After attaching your panel, it will look like this, as you can see. And now I will attach second and third panel. For that you will require your third panel. So this is my second panel and this is my third panel. Right side of my second panel and right side of my third panel, place like this, and apply a stitch over here to join both the panels. And with the same process you have to join all the panels. I have attached third panel. Now I will attach fourth panel with this third panel with the same process. Right side of my third panel and right side of my fourth panel. Place your panels like this and apply a stitch over here to join both the panels. And I will join all the panel with this same process. I have attached all the panels, and so this is bottom of my ball gown, and now I will stitch upper of my ball gown, that means my upper body. For that you have to watch part 2 of this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.